Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
What we have here specifically, guys, okay, let us show you now. We'll demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150. We'll need to work on the fuse box that's located under the hood in the engine bay. And right behind your car battery, you have a fuse box. Let me just zoom in a little bit. This is, guys, the fuse cover right here. You open that fuse cover and you see your fuse box layout just like that. This one will be the front of the truck, this is towards the back. Let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So guys, you can see how we have different fuses, relays, and those could be really hard to find in small towns, in rural areas, so we'll recommend to actually keep some spares in the glove box. We'll put a link in the description of the video below. Check it out. You can see where you can get them from at a really good price and quick shipping. The fuse for the IWE, this is the integrated wheel and solenoid, will be located in that fuse panel right here. And if you come in that row on the left side, 1, 2, that second fuse right here, that 10M fuse is the one that you will need to check.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.